Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be checking in with Sunwing. So let's get started. Go right into Google and just type in Sunwing check-in. Alright, you guys can do this from your tablet, phones, does not matter. Then you're going to see this, checkin.sunwing.ca. That's the one that you want. So click on it. And right away, you're going to see this, booking number, last name. So for example, some people have two last names. That's rare, but it happens. Put them both. Usually just the one doesn't work, but it could. So try both ways. And your booking number should be on your booking confirmation. Once you put that information in, just tap on Find Reservation. So it's going to be on the bottom, right inside, Find Reservation. All right, so from here, just select your passengers. In this case, it's 3. I'm just going to tap on Select All, but it could just be 1 for you guys. Doesn't really matter. Then go ahead and start flight check-in. On the bottom right hand side, tap on start flight check-in. And then you're gonna see this page. From this page, scroll down, all the way down, continue on. All right, so from here, you guys can just scan your passport. So you guys are gonna see that option, scan, select passport. That once you do that, it's just gonna fill out everything for you and just keep scrolling down and keep filling up any other passports you guys have to take pictures of. So that's why I would suggest filling this up within your phone. So just with your phone. It's just makes it easier, but you guys can fill this up yourselves as well. Once you've done so, just tap on continue on the bottom right hand side. All right, so from here, just confirm that everything's okay. And then just tap on continue on the bottom right hand side. All right, so from here, it's gonna ask you to put in your email and phone number. By the way, you can put down the same email for everybody, same phone number for everybody. If you're a family, just want everything to go into one person, then yeah, you can definitely do that. And once you do so, on the bottom right hand side, you're going to see create alert. Just tap on create alert. And then from here, just tap on continue. Again, on the bottom right hand side. All right, so from here, it's seat selection. So yes, although maybe you did this and you didn't pay for your seats. So if you paid for your seats, that means you did this before. You selected your seats already. They should be here. However, if you didn't, then it's still free, but there's only certain sections that have not been taken up already, and there's certain seats that are still available. So those are the ones that are blue right here. So just tap on them, and that's how you guys can reserve your seats, however many that is. So for us, it's 3 people, so I would tap 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Just need to confirm each time. And then whatever has an X, it's not available anymore. Would also like to highlight that you guys see these $70 ones. Those are the ones that are still for sale. However, right here, there's only 1 available. These other guys have been taken up. So for example, some people already have, so in our case, and usually in your case as well, it has already selected some seats for you. So in our case, it already selected these. So that's why they look like so. And no, we don't want to change them up. So we're just going to click on continue. And yes, it was free. So from here, it's going to tell you about the extra costs. With Sunwing, usually you get a personal item for free, plus 1 free checked-in baggage per person. However, if you want carry-on, you do have to pay for it. And if you want another check-in baggage, that will also cost you. So don't worry about the price that it tells you right here for check-in baggage allowance, $70 one way for the first check-in baggage, because that's already included in your price. So you don't worry about that stuff. You guys do get that with your booking anyways already. So if you scroll down, just put in how many bags and carry-on you have for each person. So in our case, it's just 1. So we're going to tap on the plus sign. Make sure whoever you're putting at that bag for, that's the passport that you scan at the airport once you check that one in, that baggage. Because let's say you scan another passport when you're leaving the bag, and it's just going to create an error. So you're going to have to scan that passport together with the bag. Then on the bottom left-hand side, just put a check mark there just by tapping on that area. And then tap on continue on the bottom right hand side. From here, go ahead and send your passes. So your boarding passes can be sent to your phone by text message or by email or both. I usually just do both. So I put in my email here, I tap on email boarding passes, and then go into, also for this, I put in my phone number and text message boarding passes. I do both things. Then I just save it to my Apple Wallet. Other than that, if you're not comfortable with that, you can go ahead and you're pretty much done with the whole checking. But make sure to put in at least an email so those boarding passes get over there. And I also want to mention the very first option will say retrieve boarding passes. So you can just tap there. You're going to see your boarding passes so you guys can print them out, take a screenshot, do whatever you like as well. So if you click on boarding passes, it's going to show you various or just the one for you. So this is how it looks like. There's a QR code on the bottom plus your name. And that would be it. You're done with your check-in. That's all you guys have to do. That would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.